Today I'm showing you a love sign I made. I got this love mold from Michaels. The first glitter I used was a chunky glitter from Target. It has hearts, stars, and snowflakes in it. It's like a purple and blue in it. I really like that one. I also got a pink from Walmart, I think it was. It's the Recollection brand. It might have been Michaels. Here's the resin that I use. It's a part A and B. It dries clear. I like this resin because it's practically odorless, but I still suggest that you use it in a well ventilated area and wear a mask because it is chemicals. Right now we're about to demold this and see what it looks like. Yes, this is beautiful. I like it. Those are the pink hearts and the pink glitter, and you saw the first one, but they're beautiful. I love all those.